have 4 eyes.
You have 4 eyes.
No, David, I don't have 4 eyes. David, stop. David?
No.
David, stop that. David, don't put that in your mouth. David, get that out of your mouth. David, what are you doing?
I don't know.
David? Sit back in your seat. Sit back in your seat. No, David! David! You're gonna ruin the leather.
No.
David, what are you doing? David? David!